India, the world's largest democracy, is in a race to find more property spaces and new infrastructure for its more than 1.2 billion people. Our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, envisions the Indian economy to grow to an unprecedented $5 trillion by 2025. When one thinks of demolition in India, the picture that comes to one's mind is labourers breaking down old structures using manual methods which are usually unsafe. Alternately, on a larger scale, entire buildings are brought down in seconds through implosions. The truth is, demolition is necessary for a growing India. It is the first stage in a construction process. Demolition is all about creation, the old paving the way for the new. Old buildings, bridges, factories and oil refineries that are beyond repair, inefficient and dangerous are torn down. Illegal and dilapidated structures are removed as they can prove fatal to people. India has a major problem with environmental degradation caused by industrial and human-generated waste, can now look forward to an environmentally friendly future that uses a three-pronged strategy: demolition, recycling and remediation. Demolition is carried out in a controlled and safe manner. Recycling then identifies toxic waste, segregates and processes it. Materials collected from demolition can also contribute to conservation of precious natural resources. And finally, the remediation process detoxifies the land and restores it to its original state. The demolition industry also contributes a large workforce to the economy. The men behind the scene are skilled and highly trained in what they do. They employ the latest machines and techniques in a methodical and safe manner. Our demolition expertise is also sought after during disasters such as earthquakes, tsunamis, etc. We are proud to announce that the newly formed IDA Demolition Association, the brainchild of founder and chairman of IDA, Mr. Mohan Ramanathan, a veteran in the field, is spearheading this next stage of our nation's progress. The association aims to represent about 200 demolition companies, 4,000 employees and over 1,000 contractors with the necessary tools to act, interact and transact business in a highly professional manner. IDA aims to promote best industry practices through education and training. It aims to advocate rights, privileges, bring respect and benefits to its stakeholders. The demolition industry in India is on par with many of its counterparts worldwide. They are executing challenging jobs overseen by government regulatory bodies. IDA is already collaborating in terms of know-how and technology with its eminent international partners, EDA and IACDS. IDA sees unlimited potential in this vast country. We recognize these opportunities and are equipped to take on the challenge. Together, we can create a clean and green India.